And the final method I have to show you for calculating trig exact values is based on your left hand, okay? And with your left hand, if we look, we can get a 90-degree angle from our thumb and finger, okay? So our thumb always represents the 90-degree angle, okay? Our little finger, the 0, in the middle is the 45, halfway between 0 and 90, and then the other two are other values, so 30 and 60 are other exact values that we always want to find. These angles for per finger always stay the same, so the thumb is always 90, 60, 45 and so on, okay? And how this works is if, for example, if we want to find cos 60. Now, cos is cool, so we always start counting from the thumb, okay? So I'm going to look where my 60-degree angle is, and I'm going to put that finger down. And I'm going to count how many, and thumb in this case counts as a finger. So how many fingers have I got for my 60-degree angle? I've got 1, okay? And cos 60 is always, and for sine, is always the square root of the number of fingers, okay, over 2. So in this case, we've only got 1 before the 60, so it's the square root of 1 over 2, and the square root of 1 we've talked about earlier was 1, so 1 over 2. Okay, if I wanted cos 45 degrees, there's my 45 angle, okay? For cos, we always count from here. So I've got 1, 2, so it's the square root of 2 over 2, okay? And similarly, if I wanted cos 30, okay, I've got 1, 2, 3 before, so square root of 3 over 2, okay? If I want to do sine, the angles again are exactly the same, I just count in the other direction for sine. So if I want to know sine 60, okay, my 60 finger was here, so I've got to count this direction, 1, 2, 3, okay, 1, 2, 3, so it's the square root of number of fingers, root 3 over 2, okay. Sine 45, 1, 2, square root of 2 over 2, and so on and so forth. And then you can use your identity, sine over cos equals tan, to find all the tan values.